welcome to my channel! Today we're going to do a flip through video of all of the entries that I did for the Arise kit by Illustrated Faith. This kit was written by Janet, also known as Top Knots in Jesus. I'll make sure to link her social media below. But boy was this kit awesome and amazing and so timely for everything that we've been going through with the quarantine and the coronavirus and just the season that God has the world in. So in my Bible here, which is getting really chunky, you're going to see all 7 entries that I did for this kit. You'll notice that all of them have stars, and that's something that I try really hard to do when I'm working through a kit, is make sure that there's something that is consistent with all of the pages, so that when I flip back through it, I know that this page came from the same kit as other pages. This particular page right here has a process video, which I'll make sure to link below. This kit was filled with so much inspiration and so much love. I just found so much goodness in this devotional, and it shows in my pages. This particular page was totally inspired by Lindsay Decor. I'll link the process video that she did below. Those are little tags with prayers on them that I put in as I was going through the devotional, just as a reminder of all the things that God was teaching me through this amazing kit. This page was really cool because those stars that are open, I put some pattern paper behind, which was from another Print and Pray Shop devotional kit, which I will also link below. And then this last page was really fun. I just smeared some paint down and put some stars down and did some stamps and just had a good time being creative. I hope you enjoyed and can't wait till next time. Bye, friends.